Chinese New Year is coming up. I want to show you how to make this delicious orange chicken to celebrate. But do you know, only take 3 things. You can make this dish in no time. Ying's batter mix, orange sauce, and chicken breast. That's all. So let's get started. So we use Ying's batter mix and orange sauce. We have a little bit oil and chicken breast. Ying's batter mix, we have 2 versions. One is gluten-free, one is regular. Both of them are all natural, no preservatives. See, that's the consistency. It's not very thick, but it's very light. So now we'll cut chicken into small chunks. Then we can add to the batter and make sure chicken are coated with batter. So now we're ready to fry the chicken. Make sure your oil is hot enough. When it sizzles right away when you drop the chicken, that means the oil is hot enough. Normally when I fry, I leave the temperature on medium-high and just fry until golden brown. That way chicken inside is completely cooked. Now let's heat the sauce in a separate pan. When the sauce starts bubbling, it's ready. Let's add fried chicken. So now I want to show you. See, the batter is very light and crispy. And make sure the chickens are coated with sauce. Now it's ready. Enjoy this delicious orange chicken.